What is a bonus issue? Prime Infra's shares are being traded at 600 rupees and the company has recently declared a 2:1 bonus issue. Amit owns a few shares of Prime Infra but doesn't understand what's in it for him. So his friend Vinod, a seasoned investor with Angel Broking, explained. A 2:1 bonus issue means you will get 2 free shares for every 1 share that you own. With 100 shares of Prime Infra, Amit will now get an additional 200 shares, taking his total to 300 shares. But because the number of shares has tripled, the price of each share is now 1/3 of the previous value. Since each Prime Infra share was 600 rupees before the bonus issue, it will now be 200 rupees. Though the number of shares Amit owns has increased from 100 to 300, the total value of his investment remains the same. So, why did Prime Infra issue bonus shares? To reward their investors and gain their confidence as well as attract new investors. Amit now understands what a bonus issue is.